Hi there, welcome back. Well, I reached 10,000 subscribers and as promised, I was going to show my ugly mug. And I'm keeping my promise. No, really, this was a friend of mine's idea. He said, show them your face with a mask and tell them that when you reach 20,000, you'd finally show the ugly stuff. But I'm not that cruel. So, here it is. Nothing special and nothing dramatic, as I normally say. And this is the result of a little bit of a dig that my daughter gave me when she suggested I show my face on these videos. And I said that I would do that when I reached 10,000 subscribers. And it started looking like I was going to reach 10,000 subscribers, which was quite honestly very surprising for me. I'm very grateful for it. I'm very thankful. I'm still surprised because I never thought these little things that I do on here would interest that many people. But as I said, I'm pleased that it does. And I want to thank you all for your support. I want to thank you for your comments. It's been great. I really enjoy it. In fact, strangely enough, this is a channel that I started because of my hobby, which is electronics. And subsequently, with the growth of the channel itself has become a second part of the hobby, which I enjoy. I actually do enjoy it. Sometimes you get the negatives, but hey, that's part of the game. And this is probably video 310 or something. There's over 300 videos on the channel, which also surprises me. But the first time I've shown my face, it won't be the last. This is not going to become a routine thing because quite honestly, I don't think my face is at all interesting to the restorations that I do. In fact, it probably needs a few restorations, which I'm not equipped to do. So this is going to be, I won't say a one-off, but it's going to be pretty rare, I guess. It just doesn't matter. You know, when you start something and you don't show your face and then suddenly it becomes an issue. And this one is probably the hardest video I've ever had to do. And I've done a lot of them. It's really weird. But yeah, there we go. Anyway, I just want to show you a bit more about the space that I work in. This is a home office. It's not a workshop. This room was supposed to be a common home office for my wife and I. It's subsequently become pretty much my own domain. She's got very little space in here. In fact, I don't think she has any space at all. Everything is filled with electronics. We have some radios. There's my SABA FREIBURG 8 automatic. At the back here, we've got the newly designed and built workbench. It's become a lot more useful the way it is. And as you can see, there's no secret what project I'm working on at the moment. The GRUNDIG 2147. So my hobby takes place at home. I use this office. I've got pretty good view when I have time to look at it. This is what I have to put up with, sea view when I'm working. It's tough, but someone's got to do it. Over here I've got some more shelving, and inside this section, which closes off, is where I keep most of the components in little trays. The back here, 2 guitars. I did dabble in it. At the age of 40 I decided I wanted to learn to play guitar. It wasn't to pick up girls anymore, it was just for fun. And neither of those worked. I still don't play guitar too well. If you've seen my video on the guitar to tube radio interface, you'll know that's true. And to stay in line with all these home presenters, I've got my obligatory collection of books in the background, just to look intelligent. Anyway, I know what you really want to see. You really want to see the cat. He's sort of, well, he is welcome, but he's a bit afraid of coming into this room because he didn't quite listen to what I told him about touching those radios. And on one occasion, he was walking behind this thing, and I think he got a bit of a zap. I wasn't in the room at the time. I shouldn't have left it on at the time, but I think I went and got some coffee, and I came back, and he was looking quite frightened. So he's sort of not coming in here as often as he used to, but he still bothers me now and then, leaves fluff all over the place. So that's it. And yeah, that's it for now. And I hope you weren't too disappointed. I expect the subscriber numbers to go down by a couple of thousand with this video. But yeah, the good ones will stay. So that's enough of my mug for now. I want to wish you and your families a very happy holiday season, and may the new year be a lot better than this one. May it bring some logic and common sense and just normality back to our lives. This excitement it's not good. It's not good. We want boring again. Boring is good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support to the channel. I hope you continue to support the channel. I hope the channel continues to entertain you. And as long as that is the case, then my mission has been accomplished. Thank you once again. Bye for now. Stay safe.